Hey traders, hope you're having a good Tuesday. Just wanted to update on Bitcoin and I guess the alts. Why not? Got my internet fixed. Wow, so happy about that. It was the Wi-Fi. What a joke, dude. What a freaking joke. Ended up just buying a Netgear Nighthawk as recommended. All right. Anyway, so this is it, man. This is it for Bitcoin. Like. All right, and what I'm saying is, the divergence in the short term, right? Bullish divergence from this low to this low, this low to this low. All right, it should be playing out now. Not only that, you've got extended oscillators too, right? With the momentum still being lower than before on the previous low. So you have a low here, and now you have a technical higher low. And you've got the wick, understandably, but the candle high or the candle low closes are higher than the previous candle low close. And so if this was some sort of double bottom, this is it, man. This is it. This is supposed to be some sort of confirmation to the market that the bottom is in for now and a rally should occur. But if you can't muster any more price action beyond what we've just done, sorry, you're gonna dump, man. All right, because look, it's just like classic distribution going on, and it's been going on. When are we making higher highs, man? We're not really making higher highs at all. We haven't made higher highs since back here, really, right? This is about this exact same high. Okay, you can't consider that a higher high. Give me a break. All right, so last time we made higher highs was July 10th, like 3 weeks ago. But good news is that you do have a higher low setting in on a potential double bottom right now with divergence, convergence, divergence again. I know that's confusing, but it's just the way it is, man. And you're holding support. Look left, May 30th. That's been touched, it looks like twice now, right? So close to a stop out too on a trade setup. So much more gas. All right, so this is it, man. This is it. If you're painting confirmation that this is the bottom for now, the prices should rally higher. But if you can't start making a higher high than your previous high at least, and remember, there is a square up here. There's a square up around $10,000, $10,050. So we could rally hit that before selling off again. But you just got to at least understand why we create one bottom and then we create a second bottom and then rally after that. And it has a lot to do with harmonics too, right? You can make higher low double bottoms, you can make lower low double bottoms, and those start turning into what? Oh, would you look at that? Harmonics, right? Harmonics. Yes. So it'd still be considered a bat here, right? 88.6% PCZ. All right, if we dumped to lower prices, there's always a chance. We know that because we look at the daily. Under 13% retrace gives you the valid cipher. And I know we've done this before, right? But whatever, I haven't been able to create a static video since last week, man. All right, so more support, a little bit more support looking left, is at the 113% retrace. And it could go all the way down to 141.4% retrace, right? If it truly wanted. But we would think that at this point at 8,800... Interestingly, right, where you pivot point here, you also have a pivot point here on a much larger pattern. I guess we can just change the color of it real quick so you can see. All right, teal being bullish, orange being bearish, right? You have the exact same touch points for the pattern completion zone, or like for the pattern completion zone for the potential bullish Gartley, and then a pivot point X, A, B, C, pivot point for C to D for the bearish cipher. Now again, we may not get that before rallying to the upside, just based on what we just talked about with the potential higher low setting in right now. Right? And forget the wick, forget the one wick, all right? This could be it before the rally. So we just don't know yet, but I'll tell you, you better start making higher highs. If you don't on this rally, chances are you're going to be hitting that 8,800 area for sure, all right? So just keep that in mind. Just wanted to look at Bitcoin, and why not look at the others real quick? Ethereum, I wouldn't consider this much of an ascending triangle yet. This first touch point is kind of arbitrary. It doesn't, right, when you sell off and you pivot, this is the first reaction high, right, not this. So I think that because the impulse up from the bottom to top, this is where the pattern started. So we would need another touch point up here to get a valid ascending triangle. I don't think it is valid right now. Either way, though, I'm sure that, you know, if we broke out bearishly, if Bitcoin wanted to dump, then Ethereum's going to dump too. And it's going to come down to 190, right? Critical supports. If you don't hold 190, look out, man. 165 definitely looks likely if you don't hold 190. All right, so if we break the upside, high point to low point of the structure that you're still in the downtrend. Nothing's changed there. If you ever broke out of that, again, you're looking for 257, 298. All right, that's your golden zone retrace before reversing to the downside again. Okay. Litecoin still in the downtrend. All right, this is the largest correction of the entire run that started in mid-December 2018. Largest correction. So making higher lows, good. Definitely good that you're making higher lows, so that could be signifying accumulation, but you're not making higher highs. You're still distributing right now. Okay, so at the same time as showing some sort of accumulation. Yes, there is slight forms of bullish divergence on the 4-hour, just a little bit, and not really anything on the RSI. Yeah, it's a class C divergence, I guess you could say, where you double bottom on your histogram, or sorry, on your RSI, on your oscillator. So again, the breakout point is 95.80 or so. And the golden retrace, which we've already hit from the high to low, between 103.23 and 119.30. Good news is, like, once we hit that, kind of double topped at the golden zone, you sold off, but you have not sold off any lower than where you are now, so that's good. Again, every single one of these altcoins, including the ones I don't cover, are, especially the US dollar pair, are dependent on Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin pumps, these are going to pump too. Bitcoin dumps, these are going to dump too. All right, XRP, it broke out. You want to call that a breakout? Just kind of went sideways and just kind of walked out. Good news. What, SBI launched or something like that, according to Alex Cobb. So good news there, but sorry for the XRP fans. If Bitcoin doesn't perform, XRP is probably going to struggle. There are square ups, many square ups to the upside. 35.7 cents, 39.168 cents, and there's one even higher than that, up at like 47 cents, but we won't even talk about that right now. If you were to rally, your targets to the upside going to be between 36.988 cents and 42.314 cents, okay? And you're showing, you know, you went from divergence into pretty much convergence, right? Where you had a low on price, now you're making higher lows on price. Higher levels roll to strength. You are showing forms of accumulation too, but man, I'll just show you this, and you think however you want about it, but and it's so contradicting, okay? Because it's like you're at such low risk areas for upside, you know, for upside potential, right? Where you've hit this over and over and over, and then but like the problem is, like, does this like look like something to y'all? I mean, that looks like a textbook bear pull bear flag. But again, I wouldn't hold too much weight on it, even though it's there and it should be at least noted. My God, measure move here, I don't want to talk about it because it would put you way below 25 cents. Maybe you see 25 cents again, but dude, it's all dependent on Bitcoin price action. I mean, this is great for XRP trying to bullishly engulf, but whatever, man. It doesn't look like a very big candle to confirm a very nice bullish engulfing. All right, but we've seen it before where you've hit a bottom and a slightly higher low, and then you rallied. Seen it before. So look, a low, a slightly higher low, maybe you rally again. Because you're at such low risk areas, right? Maybe there are people that see value down here. They could help push this price higher again. I just wanted to show that because it's just like, what? Kind of crazy, man. Let it be noted. All right. XRP, man. Bitcoin Cash. All right, interesting on Bitcoin Cash, right? A little bit different. It's broken out. Definitely broken out. And a nice rally today, but you're still like contracting on price, whether you want to call this a triangle or not. You're at a down sloping resistance right now. And from the high point to low point, the golden zone for Bitcoin Cash, 354 to 415.48. So could see higher price. Dude, it's all on Bitcoin, okay? Like, I'd love to just be like, oh yeah, man, it's setting up for higher prices. But like, if Bitcoin dumps, do you think this thing's going to pump? It's not, man. It's not. This is a very homogenous market, okay? Especially these US dollar pairs. You know, hey, stock market, different story. And we've been showing examples all, you know, the past week, different stocks that are doing different things that aren't just completely tied to Bitcoin and, you know, look exactly the same, right, in the short term. So good stuff, though, on Bitcoin Cash. Nice rally. But we'll see if we're going to break that soon enough. We're at a breaking point. All right, showing bullish convergence on the oscillators, which is good. You know, you need to see that before a breakout of the upside. But sometimes even with bullish convergence, you dump. I've seen that before. So it's all probabilities, man. Okay, hope you enjoyed this study video. If you did, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I'll see you live today from my desktop, thank God. So until next time, respect the TA.